Hi, I'm James Johnson with MarineMax Sail and Ski in Austin, Texas. Come join me on this walkthrough on these new exciting boats. This 2017 Scarab 195 Open is one you won't want to miss out on. This boat was sold new by Sail and Ski Center. The customer loved it so much they upgraded to the Scarab 255 Open for their growing family and friends that love the lake style. This Scarab features a supercharged Rotax 1.5 liter 200 horsepower jet with only a little over 20 hours on it. The boat still has a new feel to it. The floor is lined with marine mat from the cockpit to the drop-down tailgate. This is a smart-looking center console jet boat that can be used anywhere from the lakes of Central Texas to the intercoastal waterways off the Texas coast. The versatility of this watercraft is to behold. For anglers, the 195 Open is set up with a 24-volt Minn Kota Riptide trolling motor with 80 pounds of thrust, iPilot link and charging system, the Humminbird Solex 12-inch multifunctional plotter, sonar, fishing instrument that talks to the trolling motor. She can tell the boat to stay, and she minds better than your kids. She also has a professionally installed aerated live well with a pressurized raw water washdown to clean up. She's also equipped with rod holders and designated rod storage. The water sports enthusiasts will enjoy the T-top and canvas shade with the high pull point to pull off big air on your wakeboard or getting even with your friends on a tube. She has a cruise system that will allow you to lock onto that perfect speed for water sports or cruising. For the explorer in you, head to your favorite sandy shoal, snap in the included bow and aft sun pads, drop the anchor in the tailgate for the ultimate social platform or your escape to a secluded getaway right on your favorite body of water. A premium stereo and helm console covers are just a few of the extras on this Scarab. This boat comes with a Scarab single axle gator hide galvanized trailer with brakes. This boat is easy to launch and trailer. You'll want to take her to more than one body of water to experience the versatility of this boat. Summer's getting away, but there's still plenty of warm water and sunshine after Labor Day in the ATX. Call us for an appointment. Thanks for joining us today. If you have questions about these models or any of the other models in our inventory, feel free to contact us at any of our 3 locations in Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio. We will see you on the water.